Hello everyone, in this video we'll see a programming problem called a longest common subsequence. This question is most frequently asked in an interview, and it will be very useful for programming competitions also. This is longest common subsequence, LCS. The problem we're going to solve using dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is a famous and difficult problem solving approach, but we'll try to solve this problem. Okay, what the problem is, I have given two strings. Here you can see string A and B. In this string you have to find out longest common subsequence. Subsequence means a subset of these characters, and common means it should be common between these two strings, and the longest means you have to maximize these kind of common sequence. In this example you can see this A and A, here D and this D, and H and this H is matching. So this is the longest common subsequence is possible in this string A and string B. So here this order is preserved. You can see this A, D and then H. Here also A, D and H. This order must be preserved. This is the same thing that I have written here, and the answer will be 3. But in this example you can see this A, G, T, not A, G, T, A, B. Here the same thing. Here G, T, A, B, G, T, A, B is matching. So here the answer is 4. Here you can say 2G is there, but you can take either of this G. We are going to print only this number, not the actual sequences in this question. So how do we do this problem is, I'm going to use a tabular method. So I have this table here. In this row wise, each row wise I'm taking one characters. The same string I have taken ABCDGH. I have written ABCDGH, and for column wise I have taken this AEDFHR, AEDFHR, and here corresponding I and J is written. Okay, in this table first we initialize this first column and first row to zeros. All are zeros. So why this 0 is, when I don't have anything, I'll not have any values as a common, so I have written a 0 here. Oh, and okay, now initialization is done, and I'm standing at 1 comma 1, I equal to 1 and J equal to 1. Okay, why we are standing is, we are going to use this first column and first row for our table filling. So that's the reason it is written here as zeros. Okay, now I have two cases. When these characters, this character means string A is one character and string B is one character, is it matching? Is matching means that is a part of the common sequence. So in that case what I'm doing is, I'm storing a value at the diagonal position and I'm adding +1. +1 is for longest, so I'm taking that one. When it is not matching, I'm taking this top and left, and I'm taking the maximum out of these values. So that's those two cases I've written here. When this is matching, you have to go and take the diagonal value +1, because the best value will be there. In this problem, why do we take the dynamic programming is, you have to solve a subset of problem. So using that subset of problem, you have to solve the whole solution. That will leads to the whole solution. So that's the reason you're taking the subset of problem. and the diagonal value, that's where we have this maximum value. So that value plus 1 means we have a same thing and it's increasing. When it is not matching, we have to take the left or high or top maximum value. Okay, in this one I'm standing here, so I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, but you can access it with I minus 1 and j minus 1 because it indexed with 0, so I minus 1 and j minus 1 is there. So these two are matching, so my answer is, I don't have anything here, so my answer will be 1. Okay, now you can see this, what's a subset in this. When I have matching a and a, my sequence is 1, so that's the possible, because a is here, a is here, so that's the maximum possible. Okay, now I move to this one, this cell. So here in this cell, when j equal to 2, I don't have a matching character, so what I do is I'm taking where the maximum is. Here you can see this is the maximum, here I have 0 and here also I have 0, so I'm just replacing the maximum, which means the top and left I'm taking the maximum and replacing it, so 1. The same case for this one, so it's nowhere it is matched for D, E, for D, F, H and R, so all will be 1 only. So here maximum 1, so maximum 1, maximum 1 and maximum 1. Okay, now we filled this. So in this itself you can see, when I have only A and this whole string, I have the answer will be only 1. So you can this is one of the subset. So when you have only A in the string A and this is whole string, only A is coming, so my answer is ultimately this will be 1. Okay, now we'll fill this array with the help of these two. So I have B and here A, this is not matching, so I'll take what's the maximum in this, so it is 1, and when B also it is nowhere matching, so how to take just maximum of these two. So here also 1, here maximum 1, here maximum 1, here maximum 1, here maximum 1. Okay, C is also the same case, here nothing is there, so maximum 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Here when D is there, this is not matching, so 1, 1, here it is matching, so here it is matching, and here also it was matched, here it is matching, so I have to take the diagonal value, so plus 1, so it will be 2. Okay, now with this one we have to take maximum, not matching, so I have to take maximum, so 2, here also 2 and here also 2, this 2 here maximum. Okay, now G, here I have to take the it's not nowhere it's matching and it's not there, so here maximum is 1 and here also 1, here 2 and here also 2, here also 2 and here also 2. Okay, now H is there. When H is matching, 1, here 1, here comparing these two 2 and comparing these two 2, and here it is H and H is matching, so here I have to take diagonal value, 2, 2 plus 1, it is 3. So here it is not matching, here, so I have to take maximum, so 3. So this is the answer. So we have to print this answer as 3. It will be in the bottom right corner. Okay. Okay. Now we'll quickly jump to Visual Studio Code and we'll write how to program for this in C++ language. Okay. Now I need a string A and I need a string B, and I need two variables, a dot length and int n equal to b dot length, and I need a two-dimensional array, which means m plus 1 and n plus 1, and I have to write a for and equal to m, and within this for one more for int j equal to n, and first case I'm including here itself because this filling is when is I equal to either 0 or j equal to 0. So that time we no need of anything but nothing but initialization to 0. So if I equal to 0 or j equal to 0, that time dp will be I and j will be equals to 0. And else if I have string a which is I minus 1 and equal to b of j minus 1, that time I have to take the diagonal value. So dp of I and j equals dp of I and j I minus 1 and j minus 1 plus 1, or else I have to take dp of I and j equals max of the top is I and j minus 1 and left dp of I minus 1 and j. Now see out dp of m and n. Okay, now format the document. Here I written a string a, b, and I fill some data with this. I copy this, copy and paste it here. Copy the second string and paste it this one. Okay, now format it. Here I've written a string a and b, and I'm getting corresponding length of a and b, and I'm declaring an dp array, this which is nothing but this table, and it's number of m rows plus 1 and n columns plus 1. I'm starting from 0 for row iteration, and this is for column iteration, and this is for when it is a 0. Either see here when I don't have any string, either a string or b string, that time the answer will be definitely 0. So 0 initialized here in this line. Else if when I have string a or b, I have the same character, what's the best answer at the diagonal position? Plus 1. And or else when it is not matching, I have to find out the maximum of what's the top and left. So amongst that, maximum value is taken and assigned to the current value, and ultimately I have to print that maximum element as this one. So LCS is okay. Now we have this output. We'll run that and we'll see. Okay, run. The answer is 3. We'll take one more example also and we'll run this. I'm pasting for string a, and here now run the code. The answer is 4. You know this GTAB, and here GTAB is LCS. The answer is 4. So hope you understood this problem and solution. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll meet in the next video.